Imagine transforming your everyday cooking routine into a seamless, enjoyable experience with just one kitchen upgrade. This Eslite Life Nonstick Saucepan with lid, 1.5Q2, is more than just a saucepan. It's your ticket to healthier meals, quicker cooking times, and effortless cleanup. Whether you're whipping up a creamy soup, reducing a tangy sauce, or simply boiling water, this pan promises to revolutionize the way you cook. Gone are the days of scrubbing stubborn residue or dealing with unevenly cooked food. With its sleek design, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and compatibility with all stovetops, the Eslite Life Saucepan is here to simplify your life and enhance your culinary creations. But what makes this saucepan truly special? Dive into this in-depth review to discover the standout features, undeniable benefits, and real-life reasons why this product deserves a spot in your kitchen arsenal. Key features at a glance. 1. Eco-friendly non-stick coating. SGS-approved and 100% PFOA-free, the non-stick coating ensures healthier cooking with minimal oil or butter. Cleaning becomes effortless. Simply wipe or rinse for a spotless finish. 2. Versatility across stovetops, compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. This saucepan is your go-to for all kitchen setups. 3. Sturdy die-cast aluminum body, combines the advantages of cast iron and traditional cookware for superior heat distribution. The thickened base ensures rapid and even heating, saving time and energy. 4. Heat-resistant bakelite handle. The ergonomic, stay-cool handle allows safe and comfortable handling during cooking. 5. Transparent glass lid. Monitor your dishes without lifting the lid, locking in moisture and flavors. Performance and durability. The Eslite Life Saucepan is engineered with advanced die-cast aluminum technology. This ensures durability while conducting heat efficiently. The non-stick coating outperforms conventional cookware, resisting wear and tear while maintaining its slick surface even with prolonged use. Did you know? This saucepan heats up 30% faster than traditional cookware, reducing cooking times and energy bills. Why choose Eslite Life Nonstick Saucepan? 1. Healthier cooking. The PFOA-free coating makes this saucepan a safer choice for your family. Enjoy a low-smoke, green kitchen environment while cooking nutritious meals. 2. Ease of maintenance. Cleaning is no longer a chore. Sticky residue slides off effortlessly, ensuring you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. 3. Efficient heating. Rapid and even heat distribution ensures perfect results every time, whether you're simmering, boiling, or sautéing. 4. Stylish and functional design. The sleek black finish adds sophistication to your kitchen, while its compact 1.5 quart size is ideal for small families or quick meals. What sets it apart? Unlike standard saucepans, the Eslite Life Pan is designed with the modern cook in mind. The heat-resistant bakelite handle stays cool, offering a firm and comfortable grip. The glass lid enhances usability, allowing you to monitor your food without losing steam or heat. Customer testimonials. Absolutely love this saucepan. It's lightweight, heats evenly, and is a breeze to clean. Perfect for quick meals or simmering sauces. I've tried several non-stick pans, but this one stands out. The quality is unmatched, and I love how versatile it is across different stovetops. Who should buy the Eslite Life Saucepan? This saucepan is perfect for home cooks seeking a reliable everyday saucepan, health enthusiasts wanting cookware that requires less oil or butter, eco-conscious consumers who value eco-friendly products, small households needing a compact yet efficient cooking solution. Pros and cons. Pros: PFOA-free and eco-friendly. Durable die-cast aluminum construction, compatible with all stovetops, lightweight and easy to handle. Cons: not oven-safe beyond 350 degree Fahrenheit. Limited to smaller meal portions, 1.5 quart capacity. Conclusion: if you're tired of cookware that sticks, burns, or just doesn't perform as promised, the Eslite Life Non-Stick Saucepan with lid 1.5 QT is the ultimate solution. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From its eco-friendly non-stick coating that ensures healthier cooking, to its durable aluminum construction that saves time and energy, this saucepan is built to impress. So, why wait to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward effortless, enjoyable cooking. Your kitchen deserves this upgrade, and so do you. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a world of culinary possibilities with Eslite Life. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.